Students, in this video we are going to discuss the polity part in SSC public examinations. In this fourth lesson, political parties is the important lesson. In this, one 4-mark question will be asked in the public examination as per the public examination blueprint. In this, the foremost important question is characteristics of a political parties. What are the characteristics of political parties is the important question. So let us discuss that question. What are the characteristics of a political party? First, we need to write what is a political party. A political party is a group of people who came together to contest elections and hold power in government. Like this, you have to write what is political party. Next, we have to put a side heading like this: political party characteristics. First one, organization. Political parties are organized groups with a clear structure. Agreement on fundamental principles. They are usually united by a set of fundamental principles. Agenda. They develop a clear and definite program of their policies and goals. This is known as agenda. National interest. They prioritize national interests. Finally, components. What are the components in the political party are leaders, active members and followers are the component of a political party. These are the characteristics of a political party. Thank you all. Wish you all the best for your public examinations. This is KSV Krishna Reddy from Best Social Teacher YouTube channel signing off.